Now, Dan, I was looking at all your fabulous jewelry, and it's so wonderful that I assume that this is probably all you do for a living. You probably just go to show after show and probably don't have to think about anything else like a real job. Now, what's the truth?
I'm actually a graphic designer. I work in marketing for a company called Lowepro.
Lowepro?
Yes.
And what do they do?
We make camera bags, and we make carrying solutions for cameras, for digital phones, for anything electronic.
You know,
mostly cameras, though.
Well, let me stop you there. You know, the problem with camera bags is that they're worthless because you can tell there's a camera in there. It's the last thing you want to know. So I use an old paper bag or something. I mean, is that probably the best way, or do you have a better idea?
That's a terrible idea, actually, especially if you've got expensive equipment, you want to protect it. But I understand you also don't want people to know you've got it.
Yes.
Get ripped off.
So is there a midway? Is there a solution?
We have a product called the Classified, which addresses that. On the outside looks like an average bag. You would never be able to tell it's a camera bag. There's nothing about it that indicates it's a camera bag until you open it. When you open it, that's where you have dividers. You have areas to put all your equipment, and they're adjustable. They're leather tipped. It's a high-end product, but only from the inside. From the outside, it looks like just an average over-the-shoulder bag.
So what would a medium-range price one sell for?
Prices I'm a little bit foggy on because it's not my department, but the best thing for you to do to get prices is to go to the website, which is Lowepro.
Well, would you have an idea? Would they be like $10 or like $300?
No. Yeah, more like $300. Yeah. It just depends on the site. They come in various sizes, but they're, I mean, they're very good. I mean, if you buy one of those bags, you can have it for life.
Well, great. Okay. Well, thank you very much.